but I am up in space. You're just so hard to please, we gotta kill this switch. You're from the 70s, but I'm a 90s kid. I love it.